Welcome to Conicelli Hyundai. We ship genuine OEM Hyundai parts from our dealership to your door. These are the 2022 to 2026 Santa Cruz rear mud flap splash guards. They protect your truck's paint from road debris, salt, and grime kicked up while you're driving. These fit all 2022 through 2026 Santa Cruz models, including the popular SE, SEL, and limited trims. Your Santa Cruz's rear quarters face constant attack from road debris, and these OEM mud flaps shield your paint from chips and rust. Protection keeps your truck looking sharp and maintains resale value. Genuine Hyundai guards fit perfectly and preserve your warranty, while cheap knockoffs rattle loose and fail. Head over to Conicelli Hyundai's website to shop our complete catalog of genuine Hyundai OEM parts. We back every purchase with our fitment guarantee, comprehensive warranty coverage, and fast nationwide shipping. Not sure if this part fits? Give us a call with your VIN ready and we'll confirm you're ordering the exact right part for your truck. Your VIN is on your dashboard, your driver's side door jamb, or your vehicle registration card. It's 17 digits that uniquely identify your vehicle. Shop with Conicelli Hyundai. Genuine OEM parts every single time. Don't settle for aftermarket.